you. Now, as I have told you that now we will be dealing with a new topic, that is the nutrition. The various life processes we will be dealing in detail now. So the first one was nutrition. Now the question is, what is a nutrition? And what are the different types of nutrition which we will be dealing later on. So what actually is the nutrition? Nutrition is the taking in of food inside the body and utilizing it by the body for various metabolic activities, for various physical activities, for various energy purposes. Now for what is food? Now first of all the question arises, what is food? So food can be defined as an organic substance which we take in order to gain energy. Now this organic substance is generally made from non-organic substances like minerals. Glucose is an organic substance which is a food. Second, the more complex is starch which is found in plants. These glucose and starch both are known as carbohydrates. So we can say that nutrition is the taking in of the carbohydrates by our body in order to gain energy, so that we can carry out various processes in order to keep ourselves alive. Now this nutrition is generally of two types, different for both plants and animals. So there are generally two types of nutrition. First is the autotrophic mode of nutrition and second is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now first of all we will be dealing with the autotrophic mode of nutrition. What do you mean by autotrophic mode of nutrition? Auto, the word auto means self and trophic means nutrition. Modes. What are the modes of nutrition? First is the autotrophic. This autotrophic is derived from two words. Auto, which means self, while trophic, which means nutrition. Self-nutrition, which means the autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism can prepare its own food. And we all know that plants can prepare their own food. For example, all the green plants can prepare their own food. So all the green plants are generally have autotrophic mode of nutrition because they can synthesize or prepare their own food. They are not dependent on others for their food. These green plants can prepare food with the help of chlorophyll, which is present in their leaf. And this green pigment helps the plants to prepare food with the help of sunlight. Now this second is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The word heterotrophic means hetero and trophic. Pause kar. Heterotrophic. The word heteros means others and trophic means nutrition. So the word heterotrophic nutrition means the organisms which depend on others for their food and have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. For example, all the animals, they depend on plants for their food, whether directly or indirectly. All the animals are dependent on plants. Directly by eating plants themselves, like cows eat grasses, or depending on their products. For example, we eat pulses, grains, rice, all these are plant products. So we are heterotrophs. All the organisms which have heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called as heterotrophs. So these are the generally two types of mode of nutrition. First is the autotrophic mode of nutrition, second is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now this heterotrophic mode of nutrition is also of many types.